April 22, 2025. Pahalgam, once known as the Valley of Shepherds, now etched in blood.
क्या बोलते भेलपुरी खाने में साइड में था एक इंसान आया उसने उसको गोली मार दी.
A place of beauty turned into a graveyard. 26 innocent lives, mostly tourists, gunned down in cold blood. Not for money, not for ransom, but for being Indian, for being Hindu.
एक ने बोला कि मुसलमान अलग हो जाओ और हिंदू अलग हो जाओ, जेंट्स को बस, और हिंदू वाले जेंट्स को गोली मार दी गन से.
The attackers were from the Resistance Front, a Lashkar-e-Taiba proxy. But their resistance was not against a state. It was against an idea called Bharat, and against a people who still dare to believe in unity, peace, and coexistence. This was not an act of random terror. It was a surgical strike of hate. Echoes of 1990 returned. Convert, flee, or die. Remember those words? Kashmiri Pandits heard them blaring from loudspeakers over 3 decades ago. Their homes torched, temples desecrated, daughters abducted, fathers shot. Between 90,000 to 1 lakh driven out of their homeland. And now in 2025, tourists, just for being Hindu, just for being Indian, were hunted down with the same slogans in the same land. Has anything really changed? Yes, it has. Under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership, India no longer mourns silently. The abrogation of Article 370 was not just a constitutional decision. It was a civilizational stand against separatism, appeasement, and Islamist terror. And now, after the Pahalgam massacre, Prime Minister Modi has vowed, the punishment will be beyond imagination. We will destroy every inch of land used for terror.
जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी.
India is not just enraged, India is ready. The countdown for retribution has begun. But Pahalgam is not just about Kashmir. It is part of a pattern, one that stretches beyond borders. In Bangladesh, Hindus once made up 22% of the population in 1951. Today, less than 8%. In 2024 alone, 76 targeted attacks, temples razed, homes burned, women assaulted. In Pakistan, the story is even darker. Blasphemy laws used as weapons. Minor Hindu girls abducted and forcibly converted. Over 100 attacks on Hindus in 2024 alone. And yet, the world stays silent. Why? Why is the Hindu pain so inconvenient to global conscience? Where are the voices that cry for every other persecuted minority except the Hindus? While opposition parties hide behind vote bank politics, while some ask for context for terror, BJP chose clarity over compromise. The abrogation of Article 370, surgical strikes across the LOC, reviving the plan to resettle Kashmiri Pandits in their homeland. Modi's India doesn't just condemn terror, it crushes it. The massacre in Pahalgam is not just a terror attack. It's a message, a challenge, a question to every Indian. Will we forget again? Will we bend again? Or will we finally say, never again? For every life lost, for every temple burned, for every child made orphan, India will answer. Bharat will rise.
अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है.